Hey, it's Ashley. I wanted to give some more information about my Private Lending Accelerator starting October 2nd. Tons of people have been asking me questions about it, so I decided to make this video to provide some more details. It is 4 weeks long, starting October 2nd. We will meet twice a week for 1.5 hours each meeting. We will go over all your questions. Make sure you have all your questions answered. We'll talk about funding sources, legal documents, securing your investment, maximizing and scaling your profit, all those things, clarify any misconceptions, misunderstandings, give you the tools you need, and hopefully, God willing, by the end, we'll get you into your first loan, hopefully before the end of the year. Before then, if you're enrolling today or before October, I'll have to send you a detailed questionnaire, and that will help me get some information about your personal situation. Then we will meet for 2 hours in September. So that's 2 separate 1-hour meetings to talk about your personal situation, your personal plan. And that will help us hit the ground running when the live course starts in October. As far as timing, as a group, we're going to agree on the best time to meet for those 1.5-hour sessions. But you're going to leave feeling empowered, you're going to have clarity, and more importantly, a plan for growing your wealth that does not depend on the stock market or